If Telegram is asking you to pay for the SMS before logging in, or your code is not arriving normally, today I'll show you the method that users are trying out that actually works. And the method is using MTPro to solve this issue. And this time around, we're gonna use Telegram X to access our Telegram account. This method works differently because instead of paying immediately, we'll first prove Telegram connection through a proxy server, then attempt the login using Telegram X. And in many cases, that changes how Telegram handles the verification process. Let me first explain what is MTPro. MTPro is a public proxy website that gives free MTPro proxy servers made specifically for Telegram. Since 2018, the platform has been helping Telegram users connect when Telegram servers are restricted, slow, or unavailable. Telegram itself supports MTPro proxy, meaning this is not a hack, it is part of Telegram's own connection system. Now, first and foremost, I know you may be having the official Telegram app installed in your phone. Make sure that you clear the cache, the data, and first disable it. So head over to your Chrome browser, then you type in this. It's a mtpro.xyz. Then after opening it, select the proxy list. Then it will list for you all the proxies. I recommend using the top one. It may be the MTPro 2. Then after clicking on it, it's gonna list all the Telegram apps that you're having. But again, you need to select the Telegram X since it's the one that we're dealing with. And if you've not installed Telegram X, head over to your Google Play Store or your App Store and install the app. Then after you click on the MTPro online, I think around 50 proxies online. We're considering the MTPro 2 online. So then after it's open with our Telegram X, we'll have to log in. Try to log in your number, your credentials. You log in your phone number normally. Then the section of the email, make sure that you insert your email. If you already insert the email previously and it's asking for the code, it will demarcate to you that the code has been sent to your email. So you'll have to go to your email and get the code and paste it into your Telegram, and you'll be good to go. In case you've not received the code, or you're still getting some other crazy message popping up, or any other pop-up that is trying to bother you, hindering you to log in, just let me know in the comments. And you can also try to watch the previous videos because I've explained this issue and it has worked for many users. And before paying for the SMS fee, maybe give this a shot. You never know, you may have a way of always bypassing the SMS fee, or I mean the weekly premium. And in case you failed, everything is failed and you have cash on you, you can subscribe to the premium package, the weekly premium, and it will unlock your account, and you'll be able to access your chat, your everything. And by the way, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.